Hammer time in the shed time. So we've all had aluminium radiators. We've got a plastic cap on. Now I know there's easy ways, you know, take a screwdriver or a pry bar, pry all these over one at a time, all the way up. It's not much fun, that, is it? Radiator plastic cap removal. My way. Not as easy that way, you've got to do it that way. It's all about getting the angle of the dangle. And not hitting yourself at the same time. There she goes. Now, I know there's easier ways, but are they as much fun? Catch you in the next one.